If you've just bought a new cooktop from the good guys, our professional installers are ready to help out, making the process as easy and as simple as can be. Before our installer arrives, check your cooktop will fit in the existing cavity and that there's easy access if you're upstairs. Keep pets and kids out of the way so we can get the job done safely. Our service is a changeover service, which means we will install the cooktop into your existing cavity and connect it with the existing utility connections. If your installation requires additional cable, copper, a connection upgrade, or alterations to your benchtop, we're upfront about our additional charges and can provide you with an instant quote. Now let me take you through the installation process step by step, so you know what to expect. Step 1. First up, our installer will inspect your connections and installation point. Step 2. Our installer will remove your old cooktop. Step 3. Our installer will install your new cooktop to your existing cavity and connections. Step 4. Our installer will turn the unit on to make sure it's working. And remember, all work by the Good Guys Home Services team is fully guaranteed and complies with all state and territory compliance codes. Enjoy your new appliance from the Good Guys, and thanks for watching.